21. Mapping our neighborhood. People living next to us or near us are called our neighbors. The area around our home is our neighborhood. We have friendly relations with our neighbors. We must always be ready to help them in whatever way we can. We must also try to meet them at festivals and on special occasions like birthdays and weddings. There are many buildings in our neighborhood that provide us with all sorts of goods and services. We have places like a school, hospital, post office, police station, petrol pump, market, and shopping malls in our neighborhood. Sketch. Lena invites her friend Sheena on a party. Sheena did not know how to reach Lena's home. Lena's mother made a sketch of the area for Sheena. A sketch is a rough map of a place. Lena's mother marked some important landmarks on the sketch to help Sheena find her way. A landmark is a place or thing that you can easily recognize. It could be a temple, hospital, school, or cinema hall. It was difficult to draw symbols for all the landmarks on the way from Sheena's home to Lena's home. So, Lena's mother drew symbols for some of the landmarks. A symbol is a sign representing a landmark. Different landmarks have different symbols. The explanation of symbols is called a key. After looking at the sketch, Sheena found it easy to locate Lena's home. Map. A map is a drawing of neighborhood, a city, or a country. We can also have a drawing of the world or world map. We can take the help of a road map to locate a place in a city. Road maps show all the roads of a city. We can get them at bookshops, railway stations, and bus stands. In a colony, the colony map is displayed at the entrance. With the help of this map, we can easily locate any house in the colony. Language of a map. Different types of information are shown on a map. It needs to have a language. The language of a map remains the same all over the world. It is made up of 1. Directions, 2. Colors, 3. Signs and symbols, 4. Scale. 1. Directions on maps. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. A subdirection lies between 2 main directions. There are 4 subdirections. They are northeast, NE, northwest, NW, southeast, SE, and southwest, SW. The northeast direction lies between the north and the east. The northwest lies between the north and the west. Similarly, the southwest lies between the south and the west, and the southeast lies between the south and the east. 2. Colors on maps. On maps, different colors are used to show different places. Colors, places. Blue, water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes. Green, plains. Yellow, highlands. Dark brown, mountains and hills. White, snow. 3. Signs and symbols on maps. Maps use many signs and symbols to give different types of information. A map also contains a key to show what each symbol stands for. 4. Scale in maps. We know that the earth is huge in size, so it is not possible to show its actual size on a map. Maps are very small in size. Therefore, a tool named scale is used to show distances on a map. This is called the scale of the map. For example, the actual distance between Delhi and Agra is around 200 kilometers. But when we measure the distance on a map, we find that the distance between them is 2 centimeters. Hence, we can say that a distance of 200 kilometers on the ground is shown through 2 centimeters on the map. Scale: 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. When the distance between two cities is shown as 3.5 centimeters on the same map with the same scale as above, what is the actual distance between these two cities? Maps are our friends and guides because they provide us with useful information about various places.